There is a solution coming from a legitimate company. Have you wondered, are the successful people smarter and more talented than the internet marketers who are struggling but haven't reached success yet? Well, networking's the answer, not hard working a lifetime. And building a downline and networking with your downline is the answer. Work smart, not hard. But what to do to build it? Simple. Build your business, promote your business, and let the world know about your business and collect the cash. Looks hard. Complicated. Well, it's not. AIOP offers you a ready-made marketing system to promote AIOP in itself, but also any business. They have lead capture pages, autoresponder campaigns, replicated letters to follow your prospects. Now you can have them, but all under the same roof at an incredibly affordable price of only $10, only under the AIOP umbrella. And the compensation plan is simply amazing. Get started today on your road to success